the moment it looks like Horn Engineering. Did you have to step on it though?
Huh?
Did you have to step on it?
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna run out of juice, I think. Problem is also the paint soaks into the paper.
Yeah, it sucks it out rather quick.
Pen needs a bit of a push, I think. Oh yeah, you can pause it, of course. Of course. Do you want to just put it slightly lower, maybe?
Because it was going to take itself off. Well, does this resume business?
Did you press pause?
I did, but then instead of pressing unpause, I pressed the next line button.
Ah.
Certainly up the ink feed a bit.
Yeah, but only for a bit, I think, and then it'll dry out again.
It's funny how it picks which letters it's going to do next.
Yeah, I don't know what the algorithms, how that's supposed to work. There's bits of the E's and the G's that are missing, and
oh no, those last little bits in the middle of the E's, I'm pretty sure it's going to do that last.
last, you think?
Yeah, I'm not sure why.
Oh, bugger. Cop that in the knee.
I forgot to lift the support plates back up when I first ran it. That nearly took the paint pen clean off.
Support.
This one's had about a 20mm gap under it. Then got to the middle, it just went.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, I got to charge.